Optical and free patch. This section contains the functions that are usually available for designing the projection with classic moving heads. For example, gobos, prism, and frost. Each function can be set with a fader. Numbered fields for direct selection are available for the gobos in the lower area. There are also buttons for reset, lamp on, and lamp off on the right. With most spotlights, it takes a few seconds before these commands are executed. You therefore press the button once to trigger the function. The button is then outlined in orange. As soon as the spotlights has executed the function, you can deactivate the command again by pressing the button again. The next area, called free patch, contains 8 sliders for functions that can be freely assigned. We talked about this in part 6.